मैं भारत का हरदम अमिट सम्मान करती हूँ, यहाँ की चांदनी मिट्टी का ही गुणगान करती हूँ। मुझे चिंता नहीं स्वर्ग जाकर मोक्ष पाने की, मुझे चिंता नहीं स्वर्ग जाकर मोक्ष पाने की, तिरंगा हो कफन बस यही अरमान रखती हूँ, बस यही अरमान रखती हूँ। Back to this thought here, Arnika Gaur will be the anchor of today's program. Today, we are the witness of a great India with pride of heart, tears of joy in our eyes. On this 75th Independence Day, we are having problems due to this pandemic. No school, no friends, no celebration. But I don't think we should forget the spirit of celebrating this Independence Day. To make you more aware about this day, I would like to call upon Priya Dumre, Purva Mankape, Sangarakshit Arab and Indiani to share their views upon this day. So please welcome them.
Hello everyone, I am Priya Sushil Dumre and today I am going to share information about our Independence Day. 15th August 1947 is the day embossed in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom from 200 years of British rule. It was a hard and a long non-violent struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men sacrificed their lives for our beloved motherland. Independence Day is like the birthday of our country. We celebrate 15th August every year as our Independence Day. It is celebrated as a national holiday throughout the country. It is called the Red Letter Day in the history of our country. In 1947, on this day, at the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of the 200 years old British reign in India. We now breathe air in a free and sovereign nation. On this special occasion, people of India remember the selfless sacrifices and unparalleled contributions of great men and women to achieve the independence of India. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel and Gopal Bandhu Das are paid reverent homage by one and all in the country. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं पूर्वा मानकापे कक्षा 8वीं छात्र पुलिस पब्लिक स्कूल। 15 अगस्त 1947 भारतीय स्वतंत्रता के 75वें साल के इस शुभ अवसर पर हम सब उपस्थित हैं। आज हमारे लिए बहुत ही उत्साह और खुशी का दिन है। भारत को ब्रिटिश साम्राज्य से 15 अगस्त 1947 को आज़ादी मिली थी, यानी कि पूर्ण स्वराज्य मिला था। आन देश की शान देश की हम संतान हैं, 3 रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है। 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत आज़ाद हुआ था, यानी कि पूर्ण स्वराज्य मिला था। हमारे प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने इस आज़ादी के दिन को स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने का ऐलान किया था। हमारे कुछ महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानी और नेताओं के नाम हैं लोकमान्य बाल गंगाधर तिलक, महात्मा गांधी, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, भगत सिंह आदि। इन्होंने कई वर्षों तक ब्रिटिश साम्राज्य के साथ सामना किया और हमारे वतन को आज़ाद करवाया। उनके इस बलिदान को हम कभी भुला नहीं सकते। भारत हमारी मातृभूमि है और हमें हमारे देश को बुरे लोगों से बचाना है। ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। हमें दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा देश बनाना है। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलस्तान हमारा। देशभक्तों के बलिदान से आज़ाद हुए हैं हम, देशभक्तों के बलिदान से आज़ाद हुए हैं हम। कोई पूछे कौन हो, कोई पूछे कौन हो तो गर्व से कहेंगे भारतीय है हम, भारतीय है हम, भारतीय है हम। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
आदरणीय मुख्याध्यापिका जी, सभी निरीक्षक तथा शिक्षक, आज मैं आपसे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। वह है कि गुलामी के बंधनों को तोड़कर सुनहरा दिन सभी देशभक्तों ने देखा। वह दिन तो केवल 15 अगस्त 1947 था। अपने स्वतंत्रता सेनानी ने अपनी जान की बाजी लगा दी। आखिरकार सोने की चिड़िया घर लाने वाला हमारा भारत आज़ाद हो गया। तब वह दिन जश्न का दिन था। तब भारतीय संविधान का शासन शुरू हुआ। भारतीय मंत्री लोकसभा तथा राज्यसभा में समाहित हुए और लोकतंत्र की शुरुआत हो गई, जिस वजह से हम आज भी चैन और अमन की सांस ले रहे हैं। हमारे ऐसे भारत को महानता के शिखर पर ले जाने के लिए हमें और भी प्रयास करना है। हमें भारत की अखंडता तथा एकता को बनाए रखना है और इंसानियत, भाईचारा, प्रेम, अमन से जीवन यापन करते हुए पूरी दुनिया में एक अनोखा भारत जो कि रंगी बिरंगी श्रेष्ठता रखता है, ऐसी मिसाल कायम करनी है। तो चलो इसकी शुरुआत हम आज से ही करें और एक कदम अच्छाई की ओर बढ़ाएं। धन्यवाद।
जयोस्तुते श्री महान मंगले शिवास्पदे शुभदे।
स्वतन्त्रते भगवती त्वामहं यशोयुतां वन्दे यशोयुतां वन्दे. पूज्य शिक्षक वृंद व माझ्या प्रिय विद्यार्थी मित्रमैत्रिणी, आज 15 ऑगस्ट म्हणजे तुम्हा आम्हा सर्वांसाठी सर्वात शुभ दिवस. आजच्या स्वातंत्र्य दिनानिमित्त सर्वांना मनस्वी शुभेच्छा. हा दिवस संपूर्ण भारतीयांसाठी अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा आणि आनंदाचा दिवस आहे. 74 वर्षांपूर्वी याच दिवशी आपला भारत देश ब्रिटिश राजवटीतून मुक्त झाला. ब्रिटिशांच्या जोखडातून भारताला मुक्त करणे हे किती कठीण होते याची आज आपण कल्पना देखील करू शकत नाही. भारताला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवून देण्यासाठी अनेक क्रांतिकारक व देशभक्तांनी स्वतःच्या जीवाची पर्वाही न करता इंग्रजांशी निकराचा लढा दिला. 1857 ते 1947 या 90 वर्षांच्या काळात असंख्य वीरांनी स्वातंत्र्यवेदीवर स्वतःचे प्राण दिले. महात्मा गांधी, पंडित नेहरू, वल्लभभाई पटेल अशा लोकप्रिय नेत्यांच्या अथक परिश्रमाने स्वातंत्र्य खेचून आणले. आपण सर्वांनी भारतीय असल्याचा अभिमान बाळगलाच पाहिजे. या भारतभूमीत जन्माला घातल्याबद्दल नियतीचे अनंत उपकार. आज देश सुजलाम आहे, परंतु भ्रष्टाचार, हिंसा, गरिबी अशा अनेक समस्या अजूनही देशासमोर आवासून उभ्या आहेत. प्रत्येक भारतीयाचं हे कर्तव्य आहे की या समस्यांच्या विळख्यातून आपण आपल्या भारत मातेला सोडवलेच पाहिजे. तरच स्वातंत्र्यवीरांचे बलिदान सार्थक होईल. पुन्हा एकदा सर्वांना स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा व्यक्त करू. मी इंद्राणी काळे माझ्या भाषणाला इथेच विराम देते. जय हिंद.
The fluttering tricolor inspires us to dedicate our lives for the service of our nation with the grit and determination of soldiers. Yes, so everyone is eager to sink into the depth of patriotic music and songs that brings all in our moment that always getting emotional. So hence, I am inviting a school choir group representing story of soldiers by their song.
Oh
us, we all have joined together virtually for this celebration. Now, we will have a different type of program presenting a reel of Paramveer Chakra by the students of 5th and 6th.
कुछ जुनून तिरंगे की आन का है, कुछ जुनून मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, जुनून ये हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। Far from home and loved ones, Indian soldiers have for years guarded the border so that we can sleep in peace. We can hear the sagas of their valor blowing in the winds. The battlefield witness to their heroic fight. Paramveer Chakra, wheel of ultimate bravery. Paramveer Chakra is the highest wartime award given to the soldiers of the Indian Armed Forces for the display of utmost courage and complete selflessness when facing the enemy. Since its inception in 1950, 21 fearless heroes have been awarded the medal. First Paramveer Chakra awarded to First Major Somnath Sharma.
No agony, no pain shall make me cry. Soldier, was I born? Soldier, shall I die? Major Somnath Sharma was awarded the medal for his bravery in Kashmir operation in November 1947. Even though his right hand was cast in plaster, he insisted on being with his comrades in battle. While he was busy fighting the enemy, a mortar shell exploded the ammunition near him. His last message at brigade headquarters was received few moments before he was killed. He said, "The enemies are only 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch, but we will fight to our last man and our last round." The brave soldier gave his life fighting, but prevented the fall of Srinagar and perhaps the Kashmir Valley and Pakistan. एक दिल है, एक जान है, दोनों देश में कुर्बान है. Let's salute this superhero of our country.
Second, Nayak Jadunnath Singh, First Rajput Tendera Naushera Kashmir, February 6, 1948. Third, Second Lieutenant Rama Raghuba Rane, Bombay Engineers Naushera, Rajouri Road, April 8 to 11, 1948. Fourth, Company Havildar Major Piru Singh, 6th Rajputana Rifle, Titwal Sector, Jammu and Kashmir, July 18 to 1948. Fifth, Lance Nayak Karam Singh, 1st Sikh Titwal Sector, Jammu and Kashmir, October 13, 1948. Captain Gurbachan Singh Salaria, 1/3 Gorfa Rifles, Elizabeth Villa, Katanga, Congo. 7th, Major Dhan Singh Thapa.
I am a soldier, I fight where I am told, and I win where I fight. Major Thapa. Major Thapa was commissioned at the Airport for Rifles in August 1949. The Sirichak Valley in the north of the Bengal Lake, Ladakh, was considered important for the defense of Kyushu airfield. The 1 Gorkha Rifles had outposts to thwart the enemy for encroach. Sirichak's first one of these posts was held by Platoon D Company under the command of Major Thapa. When the Chinese attacked in India in October 1962, Major Thapa reverted the attack and the enemy had to pay heavy losses. I salute today a soldier of our country.
Subedar Joginder Singh, 1st Sikh, Tawang, Arunachal, October 20 to 23, 1962. Major Shaitan Singh, 13 Kamau Regiment, Rezangla, Chusul Sector, Ladakh. 10th, Lieutenant Kolak Tarapure, 17 Pune Horse, Filora, Sialkot, Pakistan, September 11 to 16, 1965. 11th, Company Quartermaster Havildar Abdul Hamid.
Courage above all things is the first quality of a warrior. During the 1965 Indo-Pak War, 4 Indian divisions was entrusted with the responsibility of capturing Pakistan territory east of Igugu Canal and contain possible enemy attacks on Kasur-Himgaran axis. The enemy tanks had penetrated the forward company positions. Hamid was commanding a recoilless gun detachment and knocked out 7 enemy Patton tanks. following which the enemy brought down their concentrated machine gun and shot high explosive fire at him. Even though he was badly wounded and bleeding profusely, he didn't care about himself and kept firing. Soldiers don't stop when they are tired. They stop when they are done. Salute to this gallant hero, Havildar Abdul Hamid.
12. Lance Nayak Albert Ekka, 14 guards, Ganga Sagar, 6.5 kilometers west of Agartala, December 14, 1971. 13. Flying Officer Nirmarjit Singh Shekhon, Number 18 Flying Bullet Squadron, Srinagar, December 14, 1971. 14. Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal, 17 Pune Horse, 47 Infantry Brigade, Shakhargarh Sector, December 16, 1971. 15. Major Hushyar Singh, Grenadier Regiment, Shakhargarh Sector, December 17, 1971. 16. Naib Subedar Bana Singh, Jammu and Kashmir, Light Infantry, Siachen, 1987. 17. Major Ramaswamy Parmeshwaran Mahar Regiment, Sri Lanka, Operation Pawan, November 25, 1987. 18. Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey, 111th Gorkha Rifles, July 2 to 3, 1999. 19. Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav, 18 Grenadiers, July 3rd and 4th, 1999. 20. Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifle, July 4th, 1999. 21. Captain Vikram Batra.
या तो तिरंगा में राखी आऊंगा या तो तिरंगा में लिपट चलाऊंगा, लेकिन वापस जरूर आऊंगा. Captain Vikram Batra, 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles and his Delta Company were given the task of recapturing point 5140. He single-handedly killed 3 enemy soldiers in close combat, which left him seriously injured. Unmindful of his injuries, he insisted on continuing with the task of hand. Motivated by the amazing courage displayed by him, the soldiers of Jammu and Kashmir Rifles charged at the enemy position and captured point 5140. In June 1999, the brave soldier tragically killed when he tried to rescue an injured officer during an enemy counter-attack. On mission, his squad was Dil Mange mode. I salute this bravest hero of our country.
तिरंगा हमारा है शान जिंदगी, वतन परस्ती है वफाए ज़मीं, देश के लिए मर मिटना कबूल है हमें, अखंड भारत के ख्वाब का जुनून है हमें. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
True freedom comes from various virtues, qualities such as discipline, commitment, perseverance and courage. Today, the students of APPS are going to enact on the virtue of patriotism. There was a boy of age 15. His name was Chandrasekhar Tiwari. Once the boy was sitting in the class, then he heard some slogans from outside. He took the permission from his teacher and went out to see what was happening.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब.
Dear children, today we are going to learn about the great freedom fighter, those who sacrificed their lives for the independence of our mother India.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Tiwari.
I am hearing some slogan from outside. I just want to go out and know about it.
Yes.
Just as teacher gave permission, they went out to see. They saw some students of college. Leader was leading the group with beautiful patriotic slogans.
How dare you do that?
Catch him, catch him.
but he escaped from there. Next morning, he was imprisoned. Then afterwards, he was presented in the court.
What is your name, young boy?
My name is Azad, which means free.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Swadinta and my mother's name is Dhartima.
Tell me your address.
Jail is my permanent address.
The angered magistrate ordered to detain him in jail for 23 weeks and ordered to be punished with 15 whiplashes a day.
It's okay. Now I am going to allow you to lock in jail for 23 weeks and 15 lashes per day. Congratulations. Enjoy.
Shame on your act. You give only 15 lashes. I want to increase my punishment.
No, that's not possible.
The man started beating him. Whiplashes were so hard that his wounded body and skin was covered with blood. With endurance, courage, and fortitude, he tolerated all the lashes. With each stroke,
Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
he was given the money for the bandage, but he refused.
Take your shirt and take this money.
Collect this money and give it to Queen Victoria and tell her the money is given by the boy of India.
This boy was none other than the great leader Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was a great revolutionary and extremist freedom fighter who shook the regime of the British rule in India. He used title Azad in his name so that he could give a message to the world that he was born free, he is free and will be free forever. He introduced the guerrilla warfare against the Britishers. That's why he was in the hit list of British government, either to catch him alive or dead. Although Chandrasekhar Azad just lived for 25 years, but in this short period, he became an ideal for every Indian and gave a new term to the freedom struggle of India. So dear friends, at the last, I would like to end with the famous quotes given by great Chandrasekhar Azad. अगर आपके लहू में रोश नहीं है, अगर आपके लहू में रोश नहीं है, तो ये पानी है जो आपकी रगों में बह रहा है, तो ये पानी है जो आपकी रगों में बह रहा है। ऐसी जवानी का क्या मतलब? ऐसी जवानी का क्या मतलब अगर वो मातृभूमि के काम ना है, अगर वो मातृभूमि के काम ना है। Don't see others doing better than you. Don't see others doing better than you. Beat your own record every day. Beat your own record every day. Because success is the fight between you and yourself. Success is the fight between you and yourself. भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! जय हिंद!
As we all are different, but there is one thing unites us, that's the independence. We should honor it and never forget how hard it to get. So, enjoy this beautiful Independence Day and Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.